British sports commentator was the inspiration behind Frank Bruno's famous catchphrase, "Know what I mean, Harry"?
I know that one, Ben.
Okay.
It's Harry Carpenter.
Let's find out. Is the answer Harry Carpenter? Yes, well done. So,
I think Drop Zone 1, Ben, please.
okay, let's load up Drop Zone 1, please. There we go. It's down and out. It's a quick drop. Yep. Couple flippers. Another 6 across the tipping point. Don't be embarrassed, Keith. £300 we add to your score. You're now up to £2,550. George, let's have your third question. George, there is a French word for what colour?
I think it's green.
I think it's green. Keith?
Yeah, it is green.
Let's find out. Is the answer green? Yes, it is. Right then, George.
Drop Zone 4, please, Ben.
Let's have Drop Zone 4. Really want you to get this now, George. Oh, man. Ooh, don't ride. Don't ride. Oh! Oh, I'm so sorry. That didn't pay off. It's still sitting there waiting to fall for you. So, Keith, we come to you for your last question. Keith, during which month of the year is Father's Day traditionally celebrated in the UK?